你觉得谁能拿到发球权？
橘色球。
Who's the referee today?
我来。
快球打得好漂亮啊！
Gonna win or who do you think is gonna lose? You do not want to miss out, guys. So what do you think?
My pleasure.
Are you gonna play in this year's 9-ball open or no?
No, I'm just an amateur.
Yeah, right.
Hi.
嗨，你们认识啊？哦，
Do you know each other?
Yeah, we just knew each other.
Ah, she your friend?
朋友的话，我倒是希望是。
当然，我们一直是朋友。